Welcome to Machinery Magazine, where precision engineering transforms colossal crankshafts and record-breaking marine engines into masterpieces of industrial innovation. Every giant marine engine begins with a single component that quietly determines its strength, reliability, and lifespan: the crankshaft. Producing one of these enormous forged steel shafts is among the most demanding manufacturing processes in modern heavy industry, and German engineering has become a benchmark for exceptional quality. The journey starts with specially formulated alloy steel, selected for its toughness, fatigue resistance, and ability to withstand decades of continuous operation. Massive steel ingots are heated to extremely high temperatures before being shaped by hydraulic forging presses capable of delivering thousands of tons of force. This forging process compresses the internal grain structure, eliminating defects while dramatically increasing mechanical strength. This remarkable combination of metallurgy, precision machining, and uncompromising inspection produces one of the most important mechanical components ever built. Only after such a crankshaft has passed every test is it ready to become the beating heart of one of the world's most powerful engines. Once cooled, the forged blank enters an extensive machining stage. Giant CNC lathes gradually remove excess material, revealing the familiar profile of the crankshaft. Every crankpin, journal, and counterweight is machined with extraordinary precision, often within tolerances measured in hundredths of a millimeter, despite the component weighing dozens of tons. Heat treatment follows to improve hardness and durability. Depending on the application, specialized surface hardening techniques are applied to increase wear resistance in areas exposed to constant friction. Engineers then perform meticulous grinding and polishing operations to achieve perfectly smooth bearing surfaces that minimize friction and maximize lubrication efficiency. Before leaving the factory, every crankshaft undergoes rigorous inspections. Ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle inspection, dimensional measurements, and dynamic balancing ensure that even microscopic defects are detected before installation. These quality control procedures guarantee reliable operation under the enormous loads experienced inside modern marine engines. With the crankshaft completed, the manufacturing story naturally progresses to the assembly hall, where thousands of precision-engineered parts come together to create a machine capable of moving the world's largest cargo ships across entire oceans. The WinGDD-12X92DF represents one of the most advanced marine engines ever constructed. Designed as a dual-fuel two-stroke engine operating on the Otto combustion principle, it can efficiently run on liquefied natural gas while also maintaining the flexibility to operate on conventional marine fuels. This capability helps ship operators reduce emissions while complying with increasingly strict international environmental regulations. Assembly begins with the massive engine bed plate, which forms the structural foundation. Workers carefully align and secure the previously manufactured crankshaft using overhead cranes capable of lifting hundreds of tons with remarkable precision. Every bearing clearance is measured repeatedly because even the slightest misalignment could affect efficiency and long-term reliability. Next come the connecting rods and enormous pistons. Each piston travels several meters during every operating cycle, converting expanding combustion gases into rotational motion through the crankshaft. Cylinder liners are installed with equal care, providing exceptionally durable surfaces capable of enduring constant pressure, heat, and friction throughout years of uninterrupted service. Attention then shifts to the cylinder covers, exhaust valves, fuel systems, and electronically controlled gas admission equipment. Advanced sensors monitor combustion conditions continuously, allowing sophisticated control systems to optimize timing, fuel delivery, and engine performance under changing operating conditions. Turbochargers, among the largest ever installed on marine engines, are mounted to recover energy from exhaust gases. Rather than allowing valuable energy to escape, these units compress incoming air, increasing combustion efficiency while improving overall power output. Additional systems, including lubrication, cooling water, hydraulic controls, and starting air equipment, are carefully integrated into the engine before commissioning begins. Electrical technicians install extensive monitoring equipment throughout the engine. Thousands of data points continuously track temperature, pressure, vibration, and rotational speed. This constant flow of information allows engineers to identify maintenance needs long before problems develop, significantly reducing downtime and improving operational safety. Once mechanical assembly is complete, engineers slowly rotate the crankshaft to verify smooth movement throughout the entire rotating assembly. Every valve, bearing, piston, and connecting rod must operate in perfect synchronization before the first ignition sequence can begin. Initial testing is performed under carefully controlled conditions, with engineers monitoring combustion stability, emissions, lubrication performance, cooling efficiency, and vibration characteristics. As engine load gradually increases, the machine demonstrates the immense capability that earned worldwide recognition, producing extraordinary power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. These engines represent more than remarkable mechanical achievements. They are vital components of global trade, powering container ships that transport food, electronics, automobiles, industrial equipment, and countless everyday products between continents. Behind every shipment crossing the world's oceans lies an extraordinary combination of metallurgy, manufacturing, digital control technology, and engineering expertise, all beginning with a perfectly forged crankshaft and culminating in one of the most powerful internal combustion engines ever created. While dual-fuel technology continues to evolve, the legendary WinGD14 RT-Flex 96C remains one of the most iconic marine diesel engines ever built. Originally developed under Wärtsilä before becoming part of WinZD's engineering legacy, this giant two-stroke engine established new standards for power and efficiency in commercial shipping. Featuring 14 enormous cylinders, the engine delivers astonishing output, capable of propelling the world's largest container vessels across international shipping routes. Its electronically controlled common rail fuel injection system precisely manages combustion, improving efficiency while reducing fuel consumption compared with earlier mechanical systems. Despite its immense size, the engine reflects decades of continuous engineering refinement in materials, combustion science, lubrication, and electronic control. It remains a landmark achievement in marine propulsion and demonstrates how large-scale diesel technology continues supporting global logistics, connecting manufacturers, ports, and consumers through one of the world's most essential transportation networks. Thank you for watching Machinery Magazine. If you enjoyed this journey through world-class engineering, remember to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible industrial innovations from around the globe.